Hi everybody, my name is Bruce Jr.
And Tamara Jr.
And this is our van, Trooper. And as you can see, it's a cold day in Calgary here.
Minus 28.
And inside the van, nice and toasty because of Mark, the paint guy, and Chrome Valdez. Thank you guys very much and everybody else who helped out. Go, 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 go! It's cold out here. Because this makes a difference now.
I think I actually meant to get a screwdriver on it.
Maybe I will sit down, fella. I'm tired after eating all this.
There we go.
Alright, now that we're all sitting in the van, Bubba included, shoes off, all toasty warm. Mark told us to tell a little bit about ourselves. So, I mean, since we got back up to Calgary from Newfoundland a couple months ago, we've had just about as hard as you could have it. We've had the drive shaft drop out on us. We've had ball joints drop out on us. I mean, it's a $1,000 van, but it got us to BC, Newfoundland, and all the way back here, so we can't take nothing from it. Other than the fact that it's really cold in the Alberta winters, but it's Alberta winters. I mean, before Mark and Chrome got us the diesel heater and Mark installed it, this minus 40 sleeping bag,
It's the only thing that saved us.
seriously, like this thing saved our lives as a blanket.
Which is honestly perfect for a good review for van lifers.
Definitely, like, other than that minus 40 sleeping bag, like, we would have had it a lot worse. And we realize there's people out there that have a lot worse than us, but we're just trying to make do with what we have, and that sleeping bag definitely helped it. But now that we have that diesel heater, thank you, Chrome, and all the wiring's in, thank you, Mark.
Thank you.
I mean, it's definitely a game changer. Like, waking up now, like, our feet out of the blanket, like, we can
move, we could turn to our other side and not be cold.
get up and change clothes without chipping the ice off of it first. It's definitely a game changer.
Especially for Bubba too, because
Yeah, I mean, as a cat, like, he can keep himself pretty warm, but it's minus 40 is minus 40, you guys. Like, there's no other way to take it. It's cold. Be prepared. We tried to be as prepared as we could, and we did okay. I mean, it was rough, but we got through it. But now with this, I mean,
we're just very happy and lucky for all the support that we've been given.
definitely, I mean, only for the people like everybody on watching Mark's channel now, watching Chrome's channel, people that's just driving by the parking lot that happen to recognize us. I mean, the support has been overwhelming, and we can't thank everybody enough.
And it's not just the things that were donated, it was the job too, because neither of us are electrical at all.
Definitely,
Mark's the man for that,
Definitely,
honestly.
yeah.
He
I
did
mean,
an amazing job.
every stereo I ever tried to wire up caught on fire, so I did not want that happening with the diesel heater that Chrome gave us.
Yeah.
And there's a reason I haven't installed it in such a long time, and we went into the winter a bit again without the heater. It's because I didn't want to ruin it. I didn't know much about electrical. I knew about installing the diesel heater, like I could have done that myself, but the wiring is just, I have no idea. And then Mark was just nice enough he had just done Jeffy Bear's and a couple other people's diesel heaters.
And he perfected it with ours.
Oh,
in our install, for
definitely
sure.
perfected it.
No issues, no
this
smells, nothing.
This is a Chevy Express Extended, and we have a 2 kilowatt diesel heater.
And it's pushing the heat. Plus
I'm
25 now. Plus 25 on setting 3.
Yeah, so Mark went to Edmonton for Christmas, which is nice. And the guy, like, he can't even leave without giving one more Christmas gift. So we have an issue with the van battery where we got to get a boost every now and then. A lot, actually.
Yeah, daily.
He knew this and usually parked behind us in order to wake up in the morning and just nicely give us a boost. Now he set us up with a long set of booster cables. And before he left, he even made sure to get us an extra battery.
Fully charged so we could boost ourselves if needed, if no one's around.
And like everything that the guy's done for us, him, Chrome, and then there was a guy at the Ford dealership who helped with the batteries as well. And like everything, I can't get over how nice everyone has been. So thank you guys, Mark, Chrome, and everybody for all of the help. We can't be, like...
It seems we can't be any more thankful, even though we are.
Honestly, like...
We've been very blessed, especially at this time of year.
From the bottom of our heart, like...
Christmas, the cold snap, everything.
Yes.
It's nice to have support.
And to have warmth this Christmas in the van means the world. So thank everybody for helping, and watch Mark the Paint Guy on YouTube. Subscribe and like.
Oh, get the wires out of the way before you pull the trigger on that one there, boy. Jesus Christ. Thank you. Sorry I had to do that, but... There we go. Some light over there. Light.
He's a real stinker now that he's warm.
Hey guys, we're here at the shop. We're here with Bruce and Tamara. We're just finishing off. There's a little install here. There's Brucey working hard to get some clearance here because we've technically already finished this, but we're just going to do a quick little finisher just to show you guys exactly what we've been doing here. So here's where we came in through the firewall. We went along that whole area there. Thankfully Chevy had a friggin' spot there for us already, a little track to go. Friggin' perfect. Go to the other side here. Went all along that carpet there. Give you a shot of that. Nice and hidden. We've got the diesel heater here. Get some light there for you. We double wrapped it with electrical tape just to keep it safe, and then everything's up underneath there, and we'll show the electrical box. Okay, so this ended up being a little bit different than when we first started, I guess. This is the Renogy we installed for him, and then we see the diesel heater underneath there. And that comes out, shoots out there. Some double batteries. I just wired in a quick little switch here for him so he'd have a little bit of light, but Bruce was able to do the PlayStation afterwards. He's got his little TV there.